Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum Classic, we are trading at $19.89. 24-hour volume, we're down 12%, and market cap, we're down 2.88%. So heading over to our daily chart, like the entire crypto market right now, we are crashing, we are correcting in the marketplace, but focusing on Ethereum Classic, when we do zoom up on a daily time frame, we have essentially broke our trend line here. If we extend this trend line, we can ultimately see that we did break it and we did a reversal on the daily time frame. So what we are going to anticipate here for Ethereum Classic is coming down to an area of support and retesting that support. So quickly taking a look at our RSI here, we are at 41%. If I do kind of scroll out here, we don't really see immediate support at 41% with the correlation of our MACD indicator, and we do see the MACD indicator that does measure momentum here is in its first wave below zero. So we can see the strength of that momentum favoring that bear marketplace, especially breaking through that trend line significantly here. So we are at negative 0.17% of this indicator itself, and we're gradually going to be pulling down to our next fib retracement here at the $19.56. Once we toggle out here, we can see multiple areas of our candlestick wicks dating back all the way to March 20th, coming down to this area of support because we had ultimately broke down this support at $20.18 and closed below it. We are going to be finding that next area of support until we see weakness of our MACD indicator and the RSI itself crossing above our D line here. So we see the K line coming down, our D line, and once we see those two lines cross above each other, that's going to initiate that buy opportunity, and that's where we're going to see that reversal here for Ethereum Classic. But once we zoom out, if we're not going to hold the 50%, let's just say hypothetically here on a daily time frame that the percentage of our MACD indicator actually skyrockets, and if we see here, it came down to negative 42 or 0.42% of that momentum build. If we're going to see that negative 30%, we're most likely not going to hold that 50% of our fib. We're actually going to come down to this support here at $19.09. Again, if we can retrace back here on November and in December timeframe, that was the next area of support that it held. Now, going into immediate short term for 4 hours, you guys, this is the candlestick that I am a little worried about, is right here. So this candlestick itself is a shooting star candlestick, and normally, again, observed at the very top, it will show that weakness, it will show that reversal from the bulls over to the bears. So we actually see quite of these shooting star candlesticks here. So we've got one here, we've got two here, and then we've got three here. So with these three shooting star candlesticks, again, we do want to see the next candlestick formation to give us confirmation of that reversal or that type of candlestick characteristic. In this case here, we see all of these red selling candles. We are going to come down. And again, once we take a look at where the next area of support is, we do see a few of our candlesticks already at the body of this 4-hour candlestick itself. So the next area of support is going to be slightly above that 50% indicator here. So if we just do a quick trend line here, just slightly above that 50% here would be the next immediate support that we're looking at, is at the 1966 here. If we take quickly a snapshot of our RSI, we can see the numbers coming down to 25%. Even though we are below the 30%, what in my books to be really considered as oversold would be at least the threshold of 20% itself. But again, if we take a look and open this up, this has been the lowest that we have seen ever since this date here on March 10th. So we could possibly see the RSI drop for Ethereum Classic on a 4-hour time frame as low as the 16% here. And again, we can see our D line itself is coming down, and that will initiate that cross or that buy signal as soon as we see the white line cross above. The only time we're going to see that reversal is if we do see the comparison here and we do see that our RSI itself is going to cross above that D line, give us that buy signal. But at the same time, when we see the MACD indicator show us weakness of the red color, okay? So if it does show us that red color, we're going to have a correction on the upside, depending if the red color does change over to green and we're above that 0% when that buy signal does happen, then the reversal may occur where we're seeing the price for Ethereum Classic come and close above that area of resistance. So I'm not even going to go through areas of resistance because for Ethereum Classic, I do believe that we are going to be retesting the 1966 or even in the danger zone here at the 1909. But definitely let me know what you guys think going into today, where you think Ethereum Classic is going to go. But thanks so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and comment down below to help my YouTube channel grow and with the YouTube algorithm. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.